Yo, what's up everybody? It's Learn Skill Daily. Today, we're diving deep into web development tools, the apps, the software, the whole tech stack that's going to level up your coding game. So buckle up, grab your favorite coding beverage, and let's get started. All right, first up, we got to start with the foundation, the code editor. This is where all the magic happens, where your ideas transform into reality through lines of code. We're focusing on two heavy hitters, Visual Studio Code, VS Code, and Sublime Text. These editors are popular for a reason, offering a range of features that cater to different coding styles and preferences. VS Code, developed by Microsoft, is free, open source, and insanely customizable. You can tweak it to fit your workflow perfectly, adding extensions and themes to make it truly yours. It has built-in IntelliSense for intelligent code completion and amazing Git integration. This means you can write code faster and manage your version control without leaving the editor. Pro tip: use the Live Server extension for automatic web page reloads. This is a game changer for web developers, allowing you to see your changes in real time without manual refreshes. Sublime Text is known for its speed, responsiveness, and minimalist interface. It's lightweight and doesn't bog down your system, making it ideal for quick edits and large projects alike. Its go-to anything functionality is lightning fast. You can jump to files, symbols, or lines in an instant, which is perfect for navigating large code bases. Pro tip: master keyboard shortcuts in Sublime Text for speed and efficiency. Knowing these shortcuts can significantly reduce the time you spend on repetitive tasks. Experiment with both, and choose the one that helps you code more efficiently and enjoyably. Each has its strengths, and the best choice depends on your specific needs and preferences. Happy coding! What happens when you accidentally delete a crucial line of code? Panic sets in, and you might feel like all your hard work has just vanished into thin air. That's where version control swoops in to save the day. It's like having a safety net for your code, ensuring that no mistake is ever truly irreversible. And Git is the superhero of this story. Git tracks every change you make, allows you to revert to previous versions, and makes collaboration with other developers seamless and efficient. GitHub, on the other hand, is the ultimate platform for hosting your code, managing your projects, and connecting with a global community of developers. Pro tip: create a GitHub profile to showcase your work and start building your professional network. Start contributing to open source projects. It's a fantastic way to learn, grow, and give back to the community. Mastering Git and GitHub is essential for any serious web developer. It's not just about version control, it's about adopting best practices and improving your workflow. It's about embracing a more efficient, collaborative, and streamlined way of building software. Imagine a less stressful coding environment where you can focus on creativity and problem solving, knowing that your code is safe and sound. Let's talk frameworks and libraries, the building blocks of modern web applications. These tools are essential for creating dynamic, responsive, and efficient web experiences. In the JavaScript world, React, Vue.js, and Angular are top choices. Each of these frameworks offers unique features and benefits that cater to different development needs and preferences. React, developed by Facebook, is known for its component-based architecture and virtual DOM. This makes it highly efficient and scalable for large applications. Pro tip: dive into React hooks for cleaner, more readable code. Hooks allow you to use state and other React features without writing a class, making your code more functional and easier to manage. Vue.js, on the other hand, is praised for its simplicity and ease of learning. It's a progressive framework that can be incrementally adopted, making it perfect for both small and large projects. Pro tip: use the Vue CLI for powerful project scaffolding. The Vue CLI provides a full system for rapid Vue.js development, including a plugin system and instant prototyping. Angular, created by Google, is a comprehensive framework designed for enterprise-level applications. It offers a complete solution with a robust set of tools and features. Pro tip: familiarize yourself with Angular's dependency injection system. This powerful feature allows for better modularity and easier testing of your code. When choosing a framework, consider your project's specific needs and requirements. Each framework has its strengths and weaknesses, so it's important to evaluate them based on your goals. Experiment and find the one that resonates with you the most. The right framework can significantly enhance your development process and the quality of your final product. Happy coding! Let's talk about the visual layer, the style, and aesthetics. CSS frameworks like Bootstrap and Tailwind CSS can save you countless hours. Bootstrap provides pre-designed components and a responsive grid system. Pro tip: customize Bootstrap styles to match your brand. Tailwind CSS offers a utility-first approach for highly customizable designs. Pro tip: use Tailwind's configuration file to create a custom design system. Repetitive tasks can be tedious, but task runners like Webpack and Gulp automate the boring stuff. Webpack bundles your assets into optimized packages. Pro tip: master Webpack's configuration file for customization. Gulp uses a stream-based approach to automate tasks. Pro tip: explore Gulp's task dependencies for efficient workflows. Whether you choose Webpack or Gulp, automation will save you time and effort. Incorporate a task runner into your workflow for maximum efficiency. Testing is essential for catching and fixing errors early on. Jest by Facebook is popular for its simplicity and powerful features. Pro tip: use Jest's mocking capabilities for focused tests. Selenium focuses on end-to-end testing, simulating real user interactions. Pro tip: use Selenium's WebDriver for automated tests. Incorporate testing into your workflow to improve code quality and save time. Debugging is inevitable, but modern browsers have powerful developer tools. Chrome DevTools offers features for inspecting, debugging, and profiling web pages. Pro tip: master breakpoints in the JavaScript debugger. Firefox Developer Edition has performance analysis tools and a 3D view. Pro tip: use Firefox's 3D view to understand the DOM hierarchy. Mastering these tools will make debugging more efficient and less frustrating. APIs are the backbone of modern web applications. Postman is the industry standard for API testing. Pro tip: use Postman's scripting capabilities for automated tests. Insomnia offers similar features with a focus on collaboration. Pro tip: use Insomnia's environment variables for different API configurations. A dedicated API testing tool will streamline your development process. Most web applications start as sketches, wireframes, or mockups. Figma and Adobe XD are leaders in design tools. Figma is known for its collaborative features and powerful prototyping. Pro tip: use Figma's component libraries for consistency. Adobe XD integrates with other Adobe apps and offers robust prototyping. Pro tip: use Adobe XD's voice prototyping for conversational interfaces. Deploying a website is now easier with platforms like Netlify and Vercel. Netlify deploys static websites from your Git repository. Pro tip: use Netlify's serverless functions for dynamic functionality. Vercel is known for its speed and focus on Next.js. Pro tip: use Vercel's edge functions for reduced latency. Choose a platform that simplifies your workflow and automates deployment. Content management systems provide an intuitive way to manage content. WordPress is the king of CMS, known for its ease of use and plugin ecosystem. Pro tip: use WordPress's Gutenberg block editor for dynamic content. Contentful, a headless CMS, separates content management from presentation. Pro tip: use Contentful's APIs for delivering content to any platform. Choose the right CMS to focus on creating compelling content and engaging your audience. Speed is paramount in the web world. Google Lighthouse provides a comprehensive audit of your website's performance. Pro tip: integrate Lighthouse into your CI/CD pipeline for automated testing. GT Metrics provides detailed insights into your website's loading speed. Pro tip: use GT Metrics' waterfall charts to identify performance bottlenecks. Use performance monitoring tools to optimize your websites and deliver exceptional user experiences. And there you have it, essential web development tools to level up your coding game. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button and subscribe for more web development tips and tutorials. Until next time, happy coding!